Tires are among the biggest expenses in a fleet's daily operations, so it's no surprise that both drivers and managers seek smart ways to cut that cost. One standout solution is Halo Connect 3. It installs in just 10 minutes, no special tools needed, and it's already proven itself on real-world highways. With tens of billions of kilometers logged, the results speak for themselves. But what exactly does this system do? It tracks in real time data like pressure, load, heat, and more. And when needed, it adjusts pressure on its own. The Halo Connect i3 is so smart, it even knows the brand and model of your tires. Thanks to that, fuel use drops by 2% and tire-related failures drop by 70%. The creators behind Trailer Tales aerodynamic panels had one goal in mind: saving fuel. Just unfold the flaps at the back of the semi-trailer, and at speeds of 105 kilometers per hour, you'll see fuel savings of 6.6%. For large fleets working long-haul routes, that's a massive cost reduction. Imagine a highway trip of 1,600 kilometers, you'll burn 30 liters less fuel. Even better, these flaps work reliably in all weather conditions, and activating or folding them back takes only a few quick and easy steps. The global wheel lock system secures trailer wheels with a smooth yet unyielding grip. Just like that, loading and unloading become calm and safe. Its hold is so firm, it actually doubles the truck's pulling power in first gear. And in a world where every second of downtime means money slipping away, global wheel lock is a game changer. It even helps align the trailer perfectly with the dock. No more dangerous reversing, rough bumps, shouted commands, or rising tension. Built from solid steel, the system is easy to maintain and always ready to perform rain, snow, or blazing sun. ZA is a company fully devoted to tires, and its success speaks for itself. With major distribution hubs in the Middle East and factories in both Indonesia and Thailand, they've built one of the largest warehouse networks in the world to ensure tire delivery anytime, even in urgent situations. To take things further, the company launched its very own mobile workshop. It may look like a regular van from the outside, but inside it's a compact garage built to rescue buses and trucks. The mechanics arrive ready to go, fixing wheels, changing tires, aligning and balancing everything on the spot. It's a complete tire service on wheels, and if the client prefers, that van can come directly to their door. The SP Series side puller systems turn an ordinary tow truck into a rescue expert that can pull a wrecked car out of almost any nightmare spot. In its top-tier setup, this system handles loads up to 9 tons with ease and features a boom that goes beyond. It performs even when the vehicle is trapped on a slope and only reachable from the side, no direct access needed. Its auto-leveling stabilizers adjust to the ground beneath, turning rough or uneven surfaces into a solid base. While others struggle with tough coals, the SP Series side puller crew is already wrapping up the recovery. Entry-level versions of the system can be yours, starting at just $0.000. Road maintenance is slowly shifting from a tiresome task of long hours into something closer to precision work. Just take a look at the MRL Grind Pro. It replaces an entire crew on site, handling a massive list of jobs at once, removing old road markings, applying new ones, cutting and grooving asphalt. This powerful machine gets it all done with impressive speed and spotless results, thanks to built-in systems that sweep away debris, dust, and hazardous particles. And there's more if needed. The MRL Grind Pro can run with just one operator. That means crews can now spread out more efficiently and care for far more roads without stretching their teams. Experts say demand for flat glass is expected to grow by around 5% in the coming years. In other words, billions of square meters of glass will keep moving across the globe each year. Handling such a fragile task requires precision, and that's where Fonville's Float Max semi-trailers come in. They're built specifically to support logistics teams, drivers, and loaders in the safe transport of sheet glass. Clients can choose between hydraulic or hydromechanical securing systems, with the added benefit of independent air suspension for smoother movement. There are also shortened intermodal models available, along with several configurations of the Float Max trailer. From sliding roofs to onboard heaters, each option is tailored to the mission. The lightweight base model handles up to 5,800 kilograms, while the top-tier double extra large version supports a full 10,700 kilograms. Today, this truck hauls equipment. Tomorrow, it becomes a mobile workshop. In a few days, it's chasing down quad races as a full-on support vehicle. Behind all this flexibility is the FAS-XL cargo platform. In this build, it's fitted to a MANT-GM 18.320 and lifts up to 875 kilograms with ease. What sets the platform apart is its clever design. It can carry both a quad bike and a spare tire for the truck. Better yet, the FAS-10L is built to adapt, with swap-out bases that switch things up. The result? A platform with stunning range that's bound to turn heads and earn likes from fans of motorhomes, off-road rigs, and trucks that speak with style. The origami system was created in Western France back in the year 2000, designed specifically for containers and dump trucks. Its purpose? To cover them quickly and effortlessly with a net. Among similar systems, origami stands out as the safest of all. The only manual task required is securing the cables. The rest runs automatically. But the developers didn't stop there. After carefully listening to user feedback, they redesigned the system to make it 35% lighter. Now it weighs just 650 kilograms. As for the nets, multiple choices exist, each custom made for use with origami. So don't be surprised by the reinforced mesh it's built to deliver safe, reliable transport, even for waste loads. Have you ever seen trailers roll into rail cars without needing a crane? This is no magician's illusion. It's the real power behind the Lohr railway system. For over a decade, it's been reshaping how freight moves, at least between France and Italy, with remarkable impact. The secret lies in special wagons equipped with rotating platforms. Lohr Railway doesn't load in sequence, but side by side, saving time and space. It's become a silent engine powering Europe's economy behind the scenes. This system blends multiple transport methods, using the strengths of each. Need to move cargo from seaport to inland zones? Lohr Railway steps in, boosting terminal performance by combining the muscle of trains with the routing freedom only trucks can offer. The EEDS developers gave it their all. This system becomes vital in moments where fast access to large water loads is needed and there's a lake or river conveniently close to the emergency site. The EEDS packs submersible pumps, an electric generator, compressor, lights, and much more, all in one smart unit. Thanks to its container-like design, transporting it is quick and hassle-free. The basic version delivers water flow at a rate of 11,356 liters per minute. The advanced model raises that number to a staggering 75,700 liters every single minute. Another standout feature of the EEDS is its fully automated hose handling system, capable of managing hoses up to 30 centimeters in diameter with precision. The MRL Rumble Pro is a specialized tool designed for roadwork, ideal for continuous or pattern cutting of asphalt, often required for tasks like renewing pavement markings, laying cables, or fixing defects. In just one pass, the MRL Rumble Pro can process a 41 centimeter wide strip. The main component is the drum, which may not appear large but weighs nearly 5 tons. To keep it cool, the creators added a tank that holds 1,892 liters of water. Despite its size, operating a truck equipped with the MRL Rumble Pro is so straightforward that one person can handle it. Plus, it features a rear-view camera system to make the job even easier. Imagine needing to transport something colossal and immensely heavy, like a furnace module for a plastics manufacturing plant. These modules can weigh over 8,000 tons and stand as tall as the Statue of Liberty. That's where Mammoet's SPMT self-propelled modular transporter comes into play. These transporters are incredibly robust, with a single axle capable of carrying up to 44 tons. They're available in 4, 5, 6, and 8 axle configurations and can even be linked together, perfect for logistics experts handling complex transport operations. Remarkably, every wheel on the Mammoet SPMT can rotate 360 degrees, and the platform offers a lifting capability of 60 centimeters. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being part of our journey. Many truckers dream of having a hammock in their cab. 9 out of 10 people might shrug this off and return to watching cat videos. But that 10th person, Stephen Saunders, decided to start his own company and sell his hammocks to everyone. The truck snoozer model costs $635 and has sold over 900 units worldwide. It measures 244 by 71 centimeters, fitting almost any tractor cab, and can hold up to 181 kilograms. No more sleeping on seats or curling up with your feet on the dash. Saunders also offers the kids snoozer hammock, which can be installed in passenger cars and is perfect for kids up to age 11. OpenBox C is designed to exceed the expectations of even the most discerning customers. According to its creators, the accordion-like folding mechanism of OpenBox C ensures versatility, accommodating both regular and oversized loads, making it particularly well-suited for transporting shipping containers. The features of OpenBox C are tailored to the specific needs of each customer. For instance, you can order a version with a payload of 15 tons. Operating the container requires only one person, and it can be unfolded or folded in under 20 minutes. Additionally, the container is composed of 3 elements, so you don't have to replace the entire unit in case of damage. The Dutch company Veldhuizen specializes in cargo platforms, enhancing tractors, and equipment rental, among other useful things. However, they faced a challenge with German legal restrictions, which banned the operation of 8x4 chassis with a total weight exceeding 32 tons. But Veldhuizen's engineers found a solution. They created a truck that looks like a typical 5-axle model at first glance, but is actually a hybrid. The frame has a semi-trailer attached, which resembles and matches the strength of a regular chassis. These vehicles are officially semi-trailers, allowing for a total weight limit of 40 tons. While most people associate Tesla with passenger cars like the Model 3 or the Angular Cybertruck, the company also produces semi-trailers. Since 2022, Elon Musk's firm has been manufacturing the Tesla Semi, an electric truck. Tesla believes the future of trucking is electric. One of the key advantages is cost savings. Charging the Semi is 50% cheaper than fueling a diesel truck for every 6 kilometers driven. Over 3 years, this could lead to savings of $150,000. In terms of range, the Semi can travel up to 805 kilometers on a single charge. And if a time-sensitive delivery is needed, a fully loaded Semi can accelerate from 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in just 20 seconds. According to the International Road Transport Union, a shortage of 3 million truck drivers is looming. Without action, this figure is expected to double by 2028. In response, AFR and OPCO Mobilities have teamed up to create an innovative solution, the Handy Trucka vehicle, designed specifically for drivers with disabilities. This truck is equipped with devices that convert sounds into signals for drivers with hearing impairments, a specialized steering wheel for those with musculoskeletal conditions, and a custom platform with rearranged controls for individuals with paralyzed legs. While unconventional, this solution holds promise. In France alone, approximately 5,000 individuals with disabilities expressed interest in transportation and logistics jobs, according to 2022 statistics. Why not harness their potential for the country's benefit? breaking barriers with innovation and creativity. That's how the Heavy Wash Intro Wash is presented by its makers. It's the first ever automatic machine designed to clean the insides of refrigerated trailers and shipping containers. Plus, it received an international patent. This machine eliminates dirt, wipes out bacteria, and works so quickly that it can clean a 16-meter-long reefer in just 3 to 6 minutes, depending on the cleaning program. The secret to its speed lies in its powerful pumps. Equipped with 12 nozzles, 70 bar pressure, and the ability to pump 125 liters of water every minute. And thanks to its advanced control Severnal system, you can mix several cleaning chemicals at once for an even better clean. Kodiak Robotics might not make headlines often, but their contributions to safer and more reliable self-driving trucks are exceptional. Meet Kodiak Driver, a suite of technologies designed to handle even the most challenging conditions. A truck equipped with Kodiak Driver not only provides a 360-degree traffic assessment, but also performs self-diagnostics. Imagine a tire suddenly blowing out. The Kodiak Driver system would react immediately, bringing the truck to a smooth stop while staying in its lane and activating emergency alerts. It's also invaluable in heavy traffic, preventing collisions with lane-changing vehicles or motorcyclists weaving between cars. Clearly, Kodiak Robotics is at the forefront of crucial advancements in autonomous trucking. The brains behind these Mercedes-Benz trucks collaborated with the folks from food giant Vine and trailer manufacturer Schmitz Cargobull to create this truck. They combined their expertise to make it as aerodynamic as possible. When the truck reaches 60 kilometers per hour, it deploys special plates that reduce turbulence, cutting down on fuel consumption. Thanks to this comprehensive package of aerodynamic tweaks, fuel usage has dropped by a solid 8 to 9%. On a larger scale, this means hundreds of thousands of liters of diesel fuel saved every year. Welcome to Right Track Systems, your go-to destination for top-notch rubber tracks designed for off-road tasks. Did you know tracked equipment could boost your off-road performance by up to 700% and extend the life of your original tires? Plus, they're game changers in mud, snow, and other tough conditions. On top of that, you can install these tracks in just an hour and remove them in mere minutes. Built to be 5 times stronger than regular truck tires, they also safeguard your sidewalls. The secret lies in the special rubber that makes these tracks 100% repairable. And if you need something tailored to your specific equipment, no worries, Right Track Systems is happy to customize for a wide range of machinery, from bobcat loaders to powerful 3-axle semi-trailers. If you're a fan of road-themed topics, you might recognize the mechanism on the screen. It's the Robson drive system. It's used to enhance roadability with no gimmicks, just solid hardware knowledge. The drive axle spins a small drum, which then spins the wheels of the non-drive axle. Thanks to its simplicity and convenience, the Robson drive is popular not only among dyers but also in production trucks. Volvo offers it as an option, while Scania and DAF use third-party expansion kits. However, the Finnish company CSU took it a step further by installing the Robson drive as a standard feature. The Alucar Ice Fighter, a container designed for spreading sand, is directly installed onto the truck. This proves invaluable when icy, slippery roads create hazards. The manufacturer recommends using sand grains sized between 4 and 8 millimeters and highlights that the Alucar Ice Fighter is heated. Available in 2 models with capacities of 55 or 90 liters, both versions are made from durable 3mm aluminum and can be mounted on either side of the truck. Impressively, the installation process for the new Alucar Ice Fighter takes 50% less time than earlier models. Pricing for this upgrade is available upon request. How can commercial freight transport be made safer? Stoneridge provides a solution with Mirror-Eye, their digital rear-view mirror system. Instead of traditional mirrors, these offer drivers significantly more information. Now they can clearly see blind spots, monitor the trailer while reversing, and keep track of it during turns. Mirror-Eye automatically shifts to a panoramic mode. The digital mirrors do not fog up, do not glare under the sun, and remain unaffected by snow. They display an HD image on two 12,3-inch monitors regardless of the weather. Additionally, trucks equipped with digital mirrors consume about 3% less fuel. These air-based bags are designed for controlled lifting, holding, and lowering of various equipment, from bulldozers to trucks. One version of this system can support up to 866 tons, enough to lift an M1A1 Abrams tank. You can be confident that the system will not be damaged by the tracks. However, the most impressive feature of MatJack landing safe lift bags is their exceptional reliability. Developers claim that no additional equipment is required during operation. The Holmes DTU is a detachable unit that allows you to use your truck for both towing and pulling trailers. This updated version has undergone major changes. For instance, the Holmes DTU now loads the front axle more efficiently and distributes the weight more intelligently by adjusting the center of gravity. The boom has a maximum load capacity of 15,870 kilograms. As for towing, it can handle a load of up to 36,289 kilograms with a 15.3-meter long, 14mm diameter steel cable. However, one question remains unanswered: why isn't there a Watson model in the catalog? Manufactured in Switzerland, this transformer trailer was not designed for flashy YouTube videos, but for efficiency on local roads. Drivers must pay a road tax even when hauling an empty trailer, but now they can fold it up and only pay for the towing truck. This saves money on both taxes and tire wear. Additionally, the transformer trailer is more maneuverable than its conventional counterparts. If necessary, the folded trailer can be replaced with a standard one. Sticking with the theme of innovative trailers, let's explore two exceptional examples. First, the Globe 55. It doesn't just include a hydraulic axle, it also boasts a removable gooseneck tow hitch. Capable of carrying 55 tons, this trailer even includes a lockable toolbox for added convenience. Meanwhile, Elphinstone Engineering refuses to be outdone. Specializing in log hauling trailers, their designs feature an extraordinary transformation mechanism. When fully extended, the top model stretches to an impressive 33.5 meters and can handle loads of up to 68 tons. The team at Aerier Technologies modestly claims to be the global leader in tire inspections. They discovered that nearly half of all trucks have tires with lower pressure than recommended. Why is this important? Proper tire inflation can reduce fuel consumption by 2%, translating to thousands of dollars in annual savings. To monitor tire pressure, Aerier Technologies engineers created the Halo system. The Connect i3 version supports Bluetooth, RF, CAN, GPS, and LTE for two-way communication. It not only informs the driver of the pressure in each tire, but also the temperature and any suspicious vibrations. The sensors are built into the inflation device, which triggers automatically. With the Halo Connect i3 system, tire-related malfunctions are reduced by 70% and CO2 emissions are cut by approximately 3 tons per truck annually. The Hoplo system helps drivers manage blind spots. It is a radar-based solution with customizable settings that presents clear data on a screen. To prevent false alarms, Hoplo verifies each detection 5 times before alerting the driver. The system functions effectively in all weather conditions and is compatible with various types of heavy machinery, including forklifts, excavators, and trucks. The Sleipner DB45 trailer has 2 key advantages. It is both a low bed and off-road capable design. This trailer can be coupled with a dump truck and is capable of transporting heavy equipment such as tracked bulldozers. With the Sleipner DB45, you can reach the worksite faster while reducing unnecessary wear on the undercarriage. According to the developers, the undercarriage may last 2 or even 3 times longer than usual. With a carrying capacity of 45 tons, this trailer is ideal for transporting heavy machinery like drilling rigs and excavators. Additionally, its low bed design saves time and reduces stress for operators. MAN is a company with a history of embracing modern technology. They even helped develop the Ariane space launch vehicle. And of course, they haven't forgotten about their truck drivers. The combination of front detection and EBA Plus helps drivers react more flexibly to road hazards. Front detection uses cameras and radars to monitor the situation and warn of potentially dangerous scenarios. It's especially useful when moving off with pedestrians and cyclists nearby. If the driver doesn't react in time, EBA Plus activates emergency braking and an emergency brake light. This combo is a real lifesaver in dense city traffic with lots of cyclists and pedestrians crossing the road unexpectedly. In 2021, an astounding 110 million tons of hay were produced worldwide. You might think it's just dried grass, but it actually generates tens of billions of dollars in revenue. Naturally, many farmers are keenly interested in innovations related to hay and straw. Enter Stinger Inc. Stacker 8500. The world's first commercial stacker specifically designed for extra-dense square bales. Powered by a 460 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of up to 882 kilometers per hour when necessary. It also includes cruise control, air conditioning, and heating systems for driver comfort in any weather. The cargo platform can hold up to 14 bales, and it's possible to transport them at a speed of 120 pieces per hour. UN statistics show that traffic accidents injure between 20 to 50 million people worldwide every year. How can these numbers be reduced? Seeing Machines offers a solution. They point out that many accidents stem from human error. Drivers get distracted by their smartphones, drinking coffee, or fatigue. That's why monitoring is essential, and the Guardian generation system is designed for exactly that purpose. Using cameras and AI, it detects when a driver is drowsy or distracted, then issues visual, audible, and vibration alerts. The system can even notify the fleet dispatcher. Would you feel comfortable driving knowing AI is watching you? Share your thoughts in the comments. An innovative printer that attaches to a truck and prints road markings at incredible speeds. Each marking element takes less than 30 seconds. The printer uses a specialized thermoplastic paint that maintains its color and integrity for many years. It is also highly durable, with certain types used exclusively on runways. With this printer, workers not only complete tasks faster, but also operate more safely, especially when applying markings on busy highways. When a truck transports waste in an open container, there is always a risk of debris scattering onto the road, potentially leading to anything from unpleasant odors to serious accidents. A driver following behind is not expecting a cardboard box, or something even heavier, to come flying toward their windshield. The RC Over system helps prevent these hazards. It is installed on containers up to 90 cubic meters and resembles either a net or a tarp mounted on a rail system similar to curtains. The RC Over can be opened or closed in just 7 seconds. Since each system is custom made for its respective container, it guarantees a perfect fit. Have you noticed what's been happening on the roads lately? Transformers are out there driving, artificial intelligence is watching over drivers, and autonomous systems are starting to take over trucking jobs. Stay updated with TechNew. Let's get it on. Even the military has taken an interest in Kodiak robotics technologies. A couple of trucks equipped by this company have already completed over 100 trips successfully. So, what exactly does Kodiak robotics do? If you've taken a close look at the truck cabin in the video, you might have already guessed: autonomous driving. The system responsible for this is called Kodiak Driver. It relies on cameras, radars, and LiDAR to drive with such efficiency that it lowers fuel consumption by 1/4. Plus, trucks running on Kodiak Driver can operate nearly around the clock, stopping only for refueling, diagnostics, loading, and unloading. Is this the future of long-haul trucking? Tire edges wear out faster when tire pressure is below normal, while higher pressure increases tension in the contact patch, leading to more wear. To skip the hassle of frequent pressure checks, consider the Tire Pilot Plus system. It automatically monitors and adjusts tire pressure as needed, ensuring uniform pressure across all tires, promoting longer tire life and optimizing fuel consumption. Railway workers often use B units in their work. These are essentially locomotives with engines, but without a full cab or with a very small one. These locomotives serve the purpose of shunting, meaning they move trains within the station. Now Smith Global has applied a similar approach to road trains with their Toll Mk5 billion units. They are remote controlled and assembled using modules. This approach allows production to take place in various factories globally, and the modules can be easily transported in standard ISO containers. The Century 5130 is the world's best-selling heavy-duty towing and recovery unit. It can effortlessly tow a semi-trailer. Its boom is so powerful that, even at its maximum reach of 3 meters, it can handle a load of 15 tons. Additionally, the Century 5130 features 2 winches capable of pulling a combined weight of 6 tons. The hydraulic supports are a standout feature. Their design ensures the bases stay flat for work on asphalt or concrete. When extra grip is required, the supports can adapt to dig into the ground. There's also ample storage space for tools, chains, and other equipment. In fact, the pass-through box is spacious enough to accommodate a drive shaft. Rear-view mirrors on cars haven't undergone major changes in the past 100 years until now. Perhaps it's time to move beyond them altogether. Rear is leading the way for mirrorless vehicles by utilizing cameras with at least 2 key advantages. Firstly, drivers can view the blind spot directly in front of the bumper via a separate monitor. Secondly, this technology boosts fuel efficiency by 5%. A bonus? These cameras are mounted on specially designed aerodynamic brackets. Schneider's system also improves nighttime visibility, as the 12-inch monitors are resistant to fog, raindrops, and other obstructions, while distance markers simplify parking. Collectively, drivers using this technology have already covered over 3 million kilometers. Would you give it a try? The PEV Strong Semi-Trailer by Pavelli is an advanced solution for hauling heavy loads. Just how heavy? Depending on its axle and tire configuration, it can carry up to 5 tons, enough for a bus, military vehicle, or combine harvester. But its impressive load capacity isn't its only strength. In its standard setup, it features 3 advanced axles. The first is liftable, the second is fixed, and the third is self-steering. The trailer's components can be raised or lowered to create an ideal platform for various loads. It can also be extended by 3 meters and includes a hydraulically assisted ramp. On top of all this, the semi-trailer is remotely controlled, making it a true marvel of engineering. Several years ago, Jost introduced the KKS automatic coupling system, revolutionizing trucking. With this system, drivers can connect or disconnect tractor units and semi-trailers without leaving their seat, similar to gameplay in video games like Euro Truck Simulator 2. Simply back up gently until the kingpin locks securely into the fifth wheel coupling. The mechanism closes automatically, eliminating the need to manually connect electrical or pneumatic systems. This reduces errors or damage from misaligned couplings, making the KKS system invaluable for both traditional and autonomous trucking. Meanwhile, Freightliner engineers continue advancing the Supertruck project, an ultra-efficient diesel truck. Yes, you heard that right. It's not hydrogen-powered or electric, but instead runs on diesel. They've already achieved some significant milestones. For example, the Supertruck 2, with a gross weight of 37 tons, can travel 100 kilometers at around 104 kilometers per hour, consuming less than 18 liters of fuel. This marks nearly a 6% improvement in fuel savings compared to the first Supertruck. Engineers have also reduced aerodynamic drag by 12% and incorporated a self-adjusting ground clearance system. Together, these enhancements contribute to remarkable fuel efficiency. It's no wonder this initiative is supported by the US Department of Energy. Flowbelow Aero Inc. is actively working on fuel-related innovations that are currently being implemented across numerous US vehicle fleets, saving their owners a considerable amount of money each year. The company's specialists employ elements developed with aerospace technology to significantly enhance aerodynamics. With just these wheel covers alone, a typical truck can save 10 liters of fuel for every 69 kilometers traveled. The creators are so confident in their solutions that they aim to achieve 1.8 billion liters in savings by 2030. It's an impressive goal, so let's not stand in the way of their progress. At Right Track Systems, experts are transforming wheeled vehicles into tracked ones using time-tested engineering solutions. From mini loaders to lifts and agricultural machines, there's a track that fits almost anything provided there's enough space. A standard track typically adds about 10 centimeters to the tire radius and 6 centimeters to the width. After installation, it's recommended to maintain a gap of 5 centimeters. Installation is quick and straightforward. Tracks can be mounted on a standard hoist in just 30 minutes and removed in a few minutes. Moreover, these tracks can be upgraded with advanced ground hooks, which are 4 centimeters long, or spikes for improved traction on ice. Gravel or garbage falling out of the back of a truck leaves someone to clean up the mess. Pedestrians nearby aren't happy about it, and if the debris is as large, it can be dangerous for drivers too. To prevent these issues, Harsh has created the flip ando sheeting system. It is also suitable for tipping trailers and can effectively hold even loose loads. The drive is either manual or electric, and the trailer length limit is 12 meters. The sheeting is made of polyester mesh, which is resistant to fading and doesn't absorb water. The DHLM is a tail lift used to lift and lower loads. The DHLM 1.0 can handle loads of up to 1 ton, while the more advanced DHLM 2.0 can manage 2 tons. Both models automatically lower to ground level and feature 4 hydraulic cylinders, 2 lifting cylinders, and 2 rotaries. Customers can choose between aluminum and steel platforms. Aluminum is lighter while steel is stronger. The width also varies, with a maximum of 255 centimeters for both models. The DHLM10 has a smaller width of 125 centimeters. This truck enhancement blends simplicity with practicality, catering to a wide range of drivers. After all, who would not appreciate an extra storage box, especially one that also functions as a step? Constructed from 3mm thick aluminum, it is built for durability. The price for the box is set at $637, and it is designed to fit many popular truck brands, including Peterbilt, Volvo, Freightliner, and others. Naturally, the box is tightly sealed to keep dirt and water out. If the steps become damaged or worn, they can easily be removed and replaced. When folded, the Railgate platform fits snugly against the trailer doors. When extended, it efficiently transports loads back and forth. What an upgrade this is! Especially valued by drivers who deliver goods to stores every day. Depending on the model, the Railgate platform lifts either 1134 or 1361 kilograms. All platforms are equipped with a compact and discreet toggle switch by default, which turns off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. An optional remote control can be ordered, along with a power switch for the platform that can be installed inside the cabin. And if you do not yet have a truck, the creators of Railgate also offer smaller models for vans and pickups. These unique arms from VDL are specifically designed to handle heavy loads. The flagship model can lift up to 40 tons onto a trailer. Even more impressive are the VDL Cam Plus and VDL Eye Control technologies. The first allows the driver to operate the arm manually in semi-automatic mode or fully automatically. The second focuses on safety, preventing accidents by intervening if the truck tilts excessively to either side. It is clear why VDL is a leading name in the Benelux market. A shortage of truck drivers is a growing problem in many countries. For instance, Germany alone is short by about 1,000,000 professionals. While employers search for new drivers, companies like EvoCargo offer a different solution. They don't just supply autonomous vehicles, they provide a comprehensive system. EvoCargo's solution excels at short trips, such as within warehouse complexes. Small N1 electric vehicles handle the cargo, traveling up to 200 kilometers on a full charge while carrying loads of up to 2 tons. These vehicles can operate 24/7 if necessary, reducing transportation costs by an impressive 30%. The Hammock drum loader is quite a unique trailer designed specifically for handling cable drums. This focus explains its low-profile design and integrated pair of cranes. The 2024 model boasts a lifting capacity of up to 52 tons, allowing it to handle drums up to 4.2 meters in diameter. To ensure stability, the trailer features retractable supports. Customers are thrilled. There is no longer a need to coordinate with a forklift, and the time required to prepare the cable for transport has been cut down from an hour to just a few minutes. The Moros GCL 170 is a trailer designed specifically for processing scrap metal, particularly crushing unwanted vehicles. To make the process more efficient, the trailer is equipped with a crane and its receiving section is spacious enough to load entire cars without requiring preliminary disassembly. The Moros GCL 170 operates using its own diesel engine, and its dimensions comply with road regulations in numerous countries. Steelbro claims to manufacture the most valuable side lifters in the world. These machines convert ordinary trucks into self-sufficient vehicles, allowing containers to be placed quickly and easily anywhere. If needed, you can even load them in pairs. Containers can be transferred directly from one trailer to another or onto a flatbed rail car when conditions permit. During unloading, the long boom reach proves useful for stacking containers. The top Steelbro model boasts an impressive lifting capacity of 45 tons. Even with stabilizing legs, it moves swiftly and offers remote control functionality featuring 2-speed modes, among other capabilities. Sounds like a fantastic deal. It is no surprise that Steelbro loaders are among the best-selling worldwide. Trucks used in municipal, construction, and other services frequently end up in unexpected places and can even cause accidents when parked on the roadside. To protect distracted drivers, these trucks are equipped with specialized systems. Once deployed, these systems create a rounded barrier designed to absorb impacts, preventing a passenger car from sliding underneath. Additionally, these systems feature lights and signs, enhancing visibility in dark or foggy conditions. When folded down, the warning and safety structure takes up minimal space, preserving the truck body's free area and not significantly increasing its length. Have you ever imagined what trucks of the future might look like? If not, take a moment to check out this concept from Art Me Leave Studio. Traditional semi-trailers may seem stuck in the past, but this model distinguishes itself with its futuristic, sleek design. Naturally, it's a self-driving vehicle. Instead of a human behind the wheel, a mix of radars, sensors, and cameras keeps the truck aware of its surroundings. What's more, this vehicle doesn't need brakes for meals or rest, enabling it to deliver goods faster. It's electric too, staying in step with modern trends. The cap's design isn't just stylish, it also redistributes weight onto the front axle, enhancing the truck's stability. Profitability and efficiency take center stage with the Kogel E-Cool refrigerated trailer, their latest innovation. This trailer features an entirely electric refrigeration system powered by integrated solar panels and regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system becomes effective at speeds above 15 kilometers per hour, producing up to 17 kilowatts of power. The energy is stored in a battery, with the exhibition model featuring a capacity of 23 kilowatt hours. However, there's an option to upgrade to 34 kilowatt hours, allowing for about 9 hours of continuous operation. This setup offers three major benefits: reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, and quieter operation compared to standard refrigeration systems. Schmidt's Cargo Bull, a leading player in the European semi-trailer market, also supplies products to the Middle East and Asia-Pacific regions. Renowned for high-quality, cost-effective solutions, the company offers modules with aerodynamic designs that save up to 3% on fuel. One standout example is the Schmidt's Cargo Bull EcoFlex semi-trailer. Known for its advanced aerodynamics, it can cut annual fuel costs by around $1,089, based on conservative estimates. Additionally, it includes Trailer Connect, a built-in telemetry system that helps transportation companies minimize empty trips over time. The Liquid X liner can carry both liquid and bulk cargo simultaneously, which is beneficial because it reduces the need to drive empty trucks back and forth. But how do you test such an unusual trailer for stability? It's easy when representatives of the German expert organization TÜV get down to business. At the test site, the truck driver performed quite risky maneuvers, and special additional wheels helped avoid capsizing. In the end, the trailer successfully passed all tests and met the required safety parameters. The creators of the SES 300 BL Ultra semi-trailer share a similar mindset. This trailer is ideal for transporting both square and round bales. It measures 13 by 2.5 meters, allowing it to be easily driven on public roads. One of the trailer's most useful features is its side walls. One is a regular curtain hiding a classic safety frame underneath, while the other has built-in straps making it flexible. Additionally, it can be moved up and down thanks to the hydraulic drive. A typical truck tank holds around 500 liters of fuel, allowing drivers to get from point A to point B. But for thieves, this is like liquid gold. Last year, a gallon of diesel at US gas stations cost about $4.50. So it's a good idea to ensure that money isn't going to waste, right? That's why the ICAP system was created. Its main feature is special gas tank caps that trigger an alarm if a thief tries to open them. The GPS tracking option is also great for fleets, allowing you to see exactly which truck the thief is trying to drain fuel from. Plus, iCap keeps a history of tank openings and closings. Here is another trailer option specifically for transporting cable drums. Built for off-road use, this model is sold by ST Trailers and is operated remotely, allowing workers to perform tasks safely from a distance. One of its unique features is that the trailer's clamps move along a horizontal axis. For more details, ST Trailers recommends visiting their website. Meyer Brackenberg has introduced the Disinfection 500, a line of disinfection gates available in both stationary and mobile formats. The mobile version can be set up by a small team in just 20 minutes. These gates automatically detect approaching trucks and activate, making them ideal for combating threats like swine fever outbreaks. Though humans are not susceptible to this disease, they can act as carriers. The Disinfection 500 features advanced nozzles that remain unaffected by wind, effectively targeting wheel arches. Truck drivers need only pass through the gate at a speed of 4 km per hour. It's no wonder Meyer Brackenberg products are widely used across Europe, including by the Luxembourg Army. Several years ago, Jost introduced the KKS automatic coupling system, revolutionizing trucking. With this system, drivers can connect or disconnect tractor units and semi-trailers without leaving their seat, similar to gameplay in video games like Euro Truck Simulator 2. Simply back up gently until the kingpin locks securely into the fifth wheel coupling. The mechanism closes automatically, eliminating the need to manually connect electrical or pneumatic systems. This reduces errors or damage from misaligned couplings, making the KKS system invaluable for both traditional and autonomous trucking. Hilton Communal equips vehicles with rail cleaning systems that excel at polishing tram tracks using shearling technology. These systems employ specialized scrapers and brushes, along with a high-pressure system of 800 bar, ensuring effective cleaning even in complex areas such as switch tracks. Additionally, built-in suction components can handle up to 25,000 cubic meters per hour. The equipment is arranged so that these vehicles can seamlessly operate both on roads and railways, with dimensions designed to allow entry into subway tunnels. The engineers at Benelux L. Gras have introduced an innovative upgrade for trailer gates. Typically, these gates simply swing open, which is not always practical. For example, if the trailer is parked in a tight space, there is a risk of the gate striking another vehicle or even injuring someone if left unsecured and slightly ajar. To solve this, Benelux L. Gras developed gates that not only swing open, but also slide parallel to the trailer's walls. This innovation allows for easy operation without the need to leave the cabin. Specialists at Napen Trailers are rethinking bumpers. You might assume there's nothing left to innovate, since their primary function is to protect vehicles from serious damage in minor collisions. However, Napen has a unique vision. They've developed a trailer bumper that can raise by 20 centimeters. Why is this useful? Because many countries regulate the minimum distance between the trailer bumper and the ground. On rough terrain, this distance can become too small, risking potential damage. Napen's bumper is remotely controlled, with its position visible from the cabin via indicator lights on the trailer. Milwaukee started its journey back in 1924 with a simple mission to craft the finest power tools. Fast forward to today, and they're thriving, investing over $200 million into their research hubs by 2022. It's no surprise that the Milwaukee Tools brand ranked among the top 20 fastest growing brands in the US. Given their ability to turn even a tool display into a captivating spectacle, it makes sense. Take, for example, the big red Milwaukee Truck Tour, which hit the road again this year. This traveling show features a truck loaded with all sorts of tools from drills and saws to lighting equipment. You name it, they've got it. Fancy trying out that screwdriver? Go ahead, you'll even receive tips from Milwaukee's pros. Tandem has rolled out an intriguing enhancement for trucks called Centaur. This massive box transforms an ordinary diesel truck into a hybrid, providing the driver with an additional 630 horsepower in just a few minutes of installation. In all-electric mode, the driver can achieve around 95% diesel savings. Centaur features advanced technology that charges up to 80% within only 45 minutes and can also function as an auxiliary braking system. According to the manufacturers, the economic benefits of this product can be realized in as little as 103 days. For those looking to enhance their fleet, the PowerPack system is also available for trailer systems. Applications for Centaur and PowerPack can be submitted on the manufacturer's website. Smart Truck focuses on creating aerodynamic elements for trucks. When these elements are placed beneath the trailer, fuel consumption reduces by over 10%. Considering that at speeds around 80 km per hour, over half of energy consumption involves overcoming air resistance, Smart Truck's innovations seem highly promising. The Undertray UT6 kit can be assembled in just a few hours, optimizing airflow to cool brakes efficiently and prevent tire overheating. It's no surprise that Smart Truck elements are already in use, notably on the trucks of Turk Enterprises, recognized as Canada's most reliable carrier of perishable goods. Check out this trailer. It not only carries up to 36,2 tons, but also extends in length. When fully stretched, it reaches 15 meters, significantly surpassing many competitors. A truck using this trailer can transport multiple pieces of equipment or long loads such as building materials. Its efficiency is further improved by a low-profile design and the adjustable Cush 25K air suspension, which guarantees optimal road clearance. We looked up the price, around $9,000. Truck cabins serve not only as sleeping quarters for drivers, but also as a means to improve fuel efficiency through advanced aerodynamics. In some cases, fuel consumption can decrease by up to 15%. That's a compelling reason to consider purchasing one, with the added comfort being a welcomed bonus. Let's take a closer look inside the Spoitrack Max XL cabin. While the space may seem compact, it comfortably fits a 70-centimeter wide bed along with amenities like a TV and refrigerator. There's also storage for spare clothes and other essentials. Additionally, the updated interior features enhanced insulation. As the world's largest wholesale and retail chain, Walmart operates over 100,000 stores across 24 countries. This massive operation generates billions in revenue and demands top-notch logistics. Unsurprisingly, Walmart decided to develop its own truck. The first prototype resulted from a collaboration between Walmart, Peterbilt, Roush Engineering, Great Dane Trailers, and Capstone Turbine. This truck features sleek aerodynamics and a hybrid engine with electric components. While it primarily runs on diesel, it can also use compressed or liquefied natural gas and biofuels. Additionally, the trailer, made almost entirely of carbon fiber, weighs 8 tons less than conventional designs. Right Track Systems produces the best removable tracks on the planet. Not only do they boost a truck's off-road capabilities by 500 or even 1000%, but they are also fully repairable. Installing the tracks takes only an hour, and they are ready to tackle muddy roads, snowdrifts, and sand. There are options featuring particularly aggressive tread patterns, as well as spikes designed for driving on ice. The tracks are built so that wheels do not slip, even in deep mud and heavy snow. Plus, the experts at Right Track Systems work on custom orders, enabling them to adapt tracks for nearly any type of equipment. Long-haul truckers already face plenty of challenges. There is no need for uncomfortable seats to be one of them, says Modular. Since 1946, they have been crafting some of the most ergonomic and durable truck seats in the world. Modular's craftsmen work on custom orders, allowing drivers to select the options and materials they prefer. Want natural leather? No problem. The standard seat features a 15-degree backrest tilt, a 3-chamber lumbar support system, air suspension, and an 18-centimeter forward back track. Plus, you can add options like heating and massage. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.